Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial today, so thank you for joining me. We are going to be using our gel press today along with our Dinkles. We're going to be creating a lovely background like this. Such a quick, easy technique that I think creates a background instantly for you to stamp straight onto, and a really nice effective background as well. So let's pop that to the side, grab our bob long, this is our DL size, and I'm going to first of all use the blue atoll along with our brayer just to create that first layer that I think always works well by using the elements on your gel press before you add the dinkles. So let's pop that to the side, and then taking a fan brush, I'm going to make a start by just tapping very lightly so we get some nice tiny dots, which gives us a really nice sort of organic background. I'm going to grab my other tray and bring in some different colours. So I've got some sea blue here, I've got a little bit of chili jam, and some of that gorgeous pink. And I think we're good to go with those. So I've got my multifarious card. Now you can either pop it on top or pop that down. I've got this on one of our Perspex boards, so I've got more control. I can place it down exactly where I want it and then give that a press. And that way you can see through it and where you want to actually sort of squidge the gel press on the areas you want to cover, because it will keep moving for a while until it soaks into the card. So let's take that off, and there we have it. What a great technique for a super sort of magical background. Pop that to the side, we'll dry that off. And now we've got our lovely fairy sitting on a bluebell, and we're going to ink her up in the nocturne. So make sure she's completely covered. And then pop her down and pick in the lighter area where she's going to be sitting, so it stands out that much more again. So don't forget to just let that rest a while, let the ink soak in. And there she is. So now I'm going to take one of our moon masks, pop that over the top, and then taking a stencil brush, let's try the blue atoll first. So I'm going to just work my way around the edge. Ideally you just want a slightly darker colour. Take that over the edge. Now if you want a little bit more definition, pick a darker colour and a smaller stencil brush, and literally just sweep over the very edge now. And that will give us a nice sharpness to that moon. So if I want that area a little bit lighter, all I need to do is grab my kitchen towel and a paintbrush, and I'm going to just add a little bit of water. So just pull the water in that area. I can literally wait a few seconds and then dab off. And you can see how it pulls that colour out of that area. Leaves us our silhouette fairy because we stamped up in the VersaFine, but it really then does make that stand out. Let's dry her off. And then we're going to add a little bit more foliage. This time I'm going to ink up in the twilight. And then a couple of smaller stamps. Again, just to create depth down at the bottom of the card. If you haven't got these particular ones, that's absolutely fine. You can use other foliage stamps I'm sure that you've got in your craft stash. And go back to the twilight now. And just go over the edge there. Now I know sometimes I use the VersaFine for going around the edge. Sometimes I use the elements. I'm at the end of the card now. I don't need to worry about it repelling water. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off now with some stickles. Just bring those up like so. Just drag it up, just giving it that little bit of light. And then because this area is quite dark, the white will really stand out, as will the glitter. So a few little speckles, and there we go. So I think that was a very quick and easy way to achieve a magical background, and no two will ever be the same on the gel press, which I think is quite exciting. Okay, you take care. Hope it's inspired you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now, guys.